If you're wondering how to add a signature field to any online form, you've come to the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to easily do this, regardless of which platform or form builder you're using. Plus, stick around until the end, where I'll share an exclusive offer you don't want to miss, only for viewers of this channel. Let's get started. First, you'll need to choose a form builder that supports signature fields. Many of the most popular form builders offer this feature, but not all. I've tested some of the top software options, and I'm going to walk you through using one that stands out for its ease of use. To add a signature field, open your form editor. In most platforms, you'll be adding a new element or field to your form. Look for the signature option. It might be listed under Advanced or Add Custom Fields. It varies depending on your software. Once you've selected the signature field, you'll see a box appear on your form where users can sign. At this point, you can adjust settings like the size of the signature box, its position on the form, and whether it's required. These settings are crucial for making sure your form is both functional and user-friendly. Now, here's a neat trick to enhance the experience for your users. Customize the instructions. Add a message above or beside the signature field, guiding your users to sign electronically with a note on why the signature is needed. This step increases clarity and minimizes confusion. You can also set up a signature field that captures the time and date of the signature. This is an added bonus if you're collecting legal documents or want to verify when the signature was added. Some platforms even let you capture additional metadata like the user's IP address for even more accuracy. One thing to keep in mind when adding signature fields is mobile responsiveness. Ensure that the field works just as well on mobile as it does on desktop. Many people fill out forms on their phones, and if the signature field doesn't behave properly, it could hurt your user experience. Once you've placed and customized your signature field, don't forget to test it out. Fill out the form yourself, sign it, and see if everything works smoothly. This is key, as some platforms require specific file formats for the signature to be stored properly. A quick test will save you from headaches down the line. Finally, if you want to get started with this process and follow along with the steps I've shown, I highly recommend trying out the software we've been using today. It's one of the easiest to navigate, and in the description below, I've included an exclusive free trial just for viewers of this channel. You can test it out and see how it fits your needs for free. To wrap up, the key takeaway here is simple. Adding a signature field to any online form is fast and straightforward, and it can be done on almost any form building software. Make sure to test it thoroughly, adjust for mobile devices, and customize the field to suit your needs. Don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial I mentioned in the description. If you're serious about making your online forms even more powerful, you'll want to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.